In today's video, we are going to announce the winners, 5 winners of Keep Design System. And I am really sorry for all the delays because a lot of people were asking me that when you are going to announce the winner. Okay, so let's do this now. And Keep Design System is basically a design system in Figma that has a React library already coded for it. So if you don't know, I can show you the website if you haven't seen it. So today I'm going to reveal all the 5 winners for 100% discount coupon. So let's get started. The rule was whoever actually commented on my video is going to be included in the draw. Okay, so let's try to see. I'm going to shift to this. I really love this color scheme. So let's spin the wheel. We are going to have 5 winners. So let's pick the first one. It is going to be okay. So the first winner is the Sana TV. I'm not sure, so I'm going to write it down. Okay, so let's write it down over here. So we have the Sana TV. So first one is this one. So let's restart it and spin the wheel again. Yes, so who is going to be the second one? Okay, so second one is NTCO Duke designer. Okay, so let's spin it again and see the last third one, not the last one. Anyhow, who is going to be the third winner? So it is Muhammad Limon MD LIMONMIAHNF9LE. I'm not sure why people have these kind of names. Anyhow, so let's restart again and spin the wheel again, and we have 3. This is going to be the fourth winner. Okay, so the fourth winner is Ehtisham 11222. Congratulations, Ehtisham. So let's see, Ehtisham 11222. Let's see who is going to be the last one. Let's see the last winner. Okay, so the last one is going to be Angela Swenson. Okay, so we have another winner, Angela Swenson. Okay. Sorry about that. You cannot control your sneezing, okay? Swenson. And you should never. Okay, so we have 5 winners over here. So I am going to comment. I am going to, need your emails to give you the license codes. So please, if you are viewing this video, make sure you comment below, and I am going to use the same IDs which you have used, and I'm going to share the coupon codes. Okay, so a lot of people, they have been asking me, when are you going to announce the winners? Sorry for the delays. I was busy in a lot of projects and clients talking to me, and a lot of students, design students. So I hope that all the winners, they are going to enjoy this Keep Design System, and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And if you have any design related project, landing page design, development, SaaS, AI dashboard design, or you need a product designer, you can always feel free to contact me. My emails, my website link is going to be shown over here. Make sure you share these videos and keep subscribing, because I'm going to reveal a lot of different prizes and winners and coupon codes for UI and UX designer. Make sure you subscribe. Take care, and we will meet you in another video, or I will meet you in another video. Bye bye.